How to add work experience in Byte.com. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to add work experience on Byte.com. Is all we need to do is open up our Byte.com right here. Once we open up our Byte.com right here, to add an experience right here, is click on profile in the middle right there. After pressing on profile right there, next thing we need to do right here is click on add experience. After pressing add experience right here, now we can put in somewhat right here, sample job title, job industry, job location, start date, and the end date right there. And you can turn that on if you're still working for the same company by just turning it on. There you go. Once you turn that on, the end date is gone. But if you turn it, but it's off, the end date, you can add the end date right there. And here on the work type, you can put in on-site, remote, hybrid right there. And descriptions, you can add your description right there. Company details, the company name, industry, and size. Here you can the job help you find this job. You put in yes or no, but for those who doesn't use Byte.com, you can put in no. And salary details, put in last month, and cash bonus and sales commission, other compensation. But yeah, there you guys, that's how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Because enjoyed, just click on save when you're done. So there, I hope you guys enjoyed. Question, concerns, type the question below guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible, and thank you.